When the body's pH swings out of balance, the kidneys must step in to restore stability. Arterial blood gases, or ABGs, reveal how well our internal environment is being managed through metabolic compensation. Why do we look at bicarbonate levels to understand renal health? It is because the kidneys serve as the body's ultimate long-term buffer system. The kidneys regulate bicarbonate levels through a precise process of reabsorption and excretion. If the blood becomes too acidic, the renal tubules retain HCO3- to neutralize the excess acid. Conversely, if the blood is too alkaline, they excrete bicarbonate to bring the pH back to its narrow physiological range. Unlike the lungs, which can react in minutes, the kidneys take hours or days to fully compensate for pH shifts. As a nurse, you must monitor ABG trends over time to identify this slow but powerful physiological response. Always remember that while lungs act fast, kidneys provide the heavy lifting for lasting correction.